Hi everyone, this is homework for week 6, day 1. Wrong book. All right. Here we go. Week 6. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to start off by playing NSR level 24. That is a separate video, so you can pause this and go watch that. Play it with your bells. All right, welcome back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do our workbook, page 20 and 21. So actually, this is a typo. There's only one of the pages that you need to do, and I believe it's 21, but let me take a check. Let me look. Let me check. Boop, boop. Oh, it's 20. You only have to do page 20. Okay, so this is a pretty easy thing. I think you'll find it fun. We need to figure out F sharp is the exact same as one other note here. All right, so think about this. Think about F sharp. Maybe you get out your bells and you line them up. Well, you should have them out and lined up from the NSR. So look at your F. If we give F a sharp, it turns into F sharp, right? So what note do we give a flat to make it be the same bell? If we give F a flat, it'll turn into E, so that doesn't work. What note do we give a flat to make it turn into F sharp? All right, here it is. G flat. Look at your bells. If we play G and we move backwards to give it a flat, we move back to the black bell before that. That's G flat. So we would draw a line from F sharp to G flat because they're the same note. All right, so now G sharp. What is that the same as? I'll let you figure that out on your bells. A sharp, what's that the same of? All of those are going to have flats that are similar. Now there's two tricky ones here. So let's take B sharp really fast together. Look at your bells in front of you. If you look at B, if you handed a sharp, is there a black note for it to go to? No, there's no black note for B to go to when it's sharped. So when B becomes sharped, it actually just turns into C. High do. Yeah, so those two would match. And there's one other tricky one there, but I want you to see if you can figure these out by yourself. We'll go over this in class, hopefully, I believe. But go ahead and do page 20, all right? You do not need to do the other work pages in your book. So once you finish that in your homework, you can just cross out the other ones. That's all you had to do was page 20, so you can cross out 21. You don't need to do 21. Okay, down here we have listen to Chopin. We listened to one of the Chopin songs in class. Do you remember what it's called? Fantasy Impromptu. All right, and there's two other Chopin songs. We haven't gone over them yet, but you can listen to them. Start getting your ear used to them. Today you do that. And the last thing you're going to do today is practice your composition E. So let's go back to the back of our compositions. If you did not complete this in class, it is because your classroom ran out of time to complete it. But here it is. You can complete it now. So for this composition, we are able to use sharps, and we're also able to use flats. And we're going from the notes F to do, do to F. That means you can't use mi, re, or, I'm sorry. Yeah, you can't use mi, re, or low do. You can only use these notes right here. So remember that if you decide to put an F sharp, for example, let's say we have an F sharp half note here, and then I want an F natural, I have to add the natural sign. And which way do the sharps go? Here's an F. Then we see a sharp and we say, who is it sharpening? It's sharpening F. This one is the F sharp. This is just an F. Okay, so you can use flats, you can use sharps, you can only use half notes or whole notes, but you're going to write that composition today. And once you have written that composition, you can practice it through one time. Play it through, see what it sounds like to you. And that is it for today.